Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hummus at home with tahini. First, gather your key ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of cooked chickpeas, 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 clove of garlic. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice water, and a pinch of salt. A good food processor is essential for achieving that perfect creamy consistency. To begin, ensure your chickpeas are perfectly tender. If using dried, soak them overnight, then boil until they are incredibly soft, almost falling apart. This is key for a smooth texture. If you are short on time, 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas, thoroughly rinsed and drained, are a great substitute. Next, prepare your garlic by peeling and lightly crushing 1 small clove. Now let's create that signature creamy base. In your food processor, combine the tahini, fresh lemon juice, and crushed garlic. Process this mixture for about 1 minute until it transforms into a light, almost fluffy paste. This step is crucial for emulsification. Then, add your tender chickpeas, a half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of ice water. Continue processing the mixture for 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down the sides as needed, until it reaches a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. If it's too thick, add a little more ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it's just right. Taste and adjust the salt if necessary. Serve your homemade hummus drizzled with olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika or fresh parsley. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.